Good morning. It is Friday, and like Christine says, words Monday sets the tone, but Friday sets the standard. Well, today we made some money. Meta has done unbelievable for me this week. So I'll go over that in a little bit here. I just wanted to tap in, say good morning. I am pulling into work now. So let's get this day going at work, and we'll do this recap here in a little bit. I'll probably try and get you up to speed on lunch. All right, so it is lunchtime. We are gonna go get us some grub and kind of do a recap on how the day was trading so far. I'll tell you what, we had a great day. Meta has been just doing splendid. Let's go get us some food, and I'll do a follow-up with you here shortly. All right, y'all, so market is currently still open, 11:37 a.m. I am on lunch. Let's do our breakdown. So as you can see, I am completely out of buying power today. I expended all of it. So what did I spend my money on today? As you can see, $1,700 on the day. We have crossed the 10,000. We have crossed the 10,000 mark, guys. So that's pretty amazing. I cannot lie. That feels like a pretty big accomplishment coming from, so it's a 3,000 month, 42% on the month. We are doing great so far. So what did I use? What was that big move today? Can you guess? Meta. This is my moneymaker for pretty much this whole month. So kind of going into our moves for Meta. Let's see here. Okay, so this morning, we went ahead and purchased a Meta call at 6:30 a.m., right when market opens. Bought 6 contracts at 6:20 for a total cost of $37.20. Immediately, Meta jumped up, okay? So 6:31 a.m., I sold 5 of those contracts, $8.59 at $8.59. for a realized profit of $1,195. So that's a good move. I kept one so I could have a runner, which my runner I closed. Let's see, boom, boom, boom. My runner I closed for a profit of $210. So I sold that at $830. Okay, so at that point we're already up about $1,400. So then I bought myself a put. Bought 3 contracts of a put at $658. So I kind of sat back, watched the market for a bit. I saw Meta was trending down, and so I hopped in a put 3 contracts at $230 for a total cost of $690. So it's at $658. Watched it, and at $701, so about 3 minutes later, sold it for a realized profit of $287. So that brings our and actually I almost forgot I did one more. At $707, hopped in another put, $250, costing me $500. Real quick scalp on that one, came up $60 in, I think, not even 1 minute. So that's a lot of moves. I think that's 3 trades in 40 minutes, and we absolutely killed it today. This is, I think, my best day so far trading. So I'm more than happy with that. Meta has exceeded, it's just been absolutely amazing. From yesterday's video, you can see for the past 3 days in a row, it's gone from that 700 level, spiked up to about 718, went right back down. Then the day, that was 2 days ago. Yesterday, from 706, or it was actually right here, from 703, spiked all the way up to 718 again, and went all the way back down to 704. Okay, today we started our low at, I believe, 715, and boom, we just spiked up. So unbelievable move today. As you can see, it's trending back down. So from all the way at 725 to 715. So I think the market's going to close, and it's going to be kind of an exact similar play. We'll probably close around the same level, 715. I don't see much movement coming in. Yeah, overall, we are very happy with our move today. This is the best way to close out the week. Like Chris Sain says, Monday sets the tone and Friday sets the standard. And boy, has the standard been set. So I hope y'all made money today. Let's come get back on with lunch, and I'll catch y'all later on this video. All right, so I'm off work. I'm gonna be headed to go run some errands. I'm actually off a little bit early, so that feels good on a Friday, that's for sure. So I just want to kind of talk real quick about just where I find myself in the market, where you should find yourself on the market for this new year. We have a lot of opportunities this year. There's a lot of uncertainty just in the world in general. And I think there's really no better time to start investing than now. If you find yourself as a new investor trying to learn how to do this option trading thing, the number one thing I would say is risk management. You have to assess, okay, am I willing to risk some of my capital? That's a question you have to ask yourself. If your answer is yes, then the question is how much, okay? How much are you willing to lose? Something you have to ask yourself. If I invest $1,000, am I willing to lose half of that to learn a lesson? Now, I'll tell you what, if you really devote yourself to trading, you will be profitable. It's not about losing, it's about winning more than you lose. You're gonna win and you're gonna lose. The goal is that you win more than you lose. And you come out profitable at the end. My recommendation would be, number one, assess your risk management. Am I willing to risk? Okay, if your answer is yes, that's great. You're gonna do great. In this day and age, there's more than enough. There's an overwhelming amount of information out there. If you are just looking for an idea of somewhere to invest in, there's hundreds of people online that will tell you all these different places that you should invest in, all the different ways you can do it. What you need to do is you just need to try. That's my recommendation, is learn, okay? I'm still very much in the process of learning, okay? I do not know very much about option trading, to be honest with you. But every day that I do it, every day that I study, every day I watch videos, I'm learning more, right? It's just more time in the market. And so if you're one of those people that likes to kind of sit back and just assess and watch, now that may be your style, but that may not be the best style that may not be the best, what works best in this market. Me personally, the type of person I am, you gotta risk some. You gotta put some skin in the game, I guess as you could say. And so, yes, you're probably gonna lose here and there. You may lose some money in your first couple trades. It's for the learning of the game. There's nothing that will teach you a quicker lesson than when you lose money. I'll tell you why. You'll figure out, okay, why did I just lose that money? What can I do to not lose money next time? I recommend for any trader that you just start fully enveloping yourself in the trading world. That's what I'm trying to do. My For You page now on everything is just full of finance stuff. Anytime I open up YouTube on my phone, it's just non-stop trading information. I'm trying to fully just surround myself with trading, so that all I can do is just intake it. It's almost like if you're trying to learn another language, you just try and just engulf yourself in that culture and substitute everything English for whatever, language it is you're trying to learn. It's very similar when it comes to, trading. This is a skill that you have to learn. And some of this skill just comes with time in the market, and skin in the game. It's 2025, it's the beginning of a new year. Let's do this. Let's grow. I'm very motivated, especially after such a green day like today. I'm going to run an errand and then I'll be home to change. Hey, so I just want to say thanks for watching this video. I hope you get some sort of value out of it. My goal with this channel is really to show my progression of growth from, a very beginning stage, which is where I'm at. I don't have too much experience trading, but I feel like by documenting my process of learning and attempting, sometimes success, sometimes failure, not only will be something cool for me to look back on the more that I grow and the more that I learn, but hopefully somebody watching can get some sort of motivation. Hopefully somebody can get their questions answered. Maybe when I find out something, my goal is to share it with you. So I appreciate you leaving feedback on the video. If you would like to see something, or you have any comments on something, please let me know. My goal is to continue to share these videos, so I guess I'll see you in the next one. Take Take care.